In this video, I'm going to show you how to put text over an image in Elementor, step by step, so you can create a clean, professional-looking section without needing any code. This is a really useful skill for landing pages, hero sections, banners, and any design where you want your text to stand out on top of a background image. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Let's get started. First, you need to set the background image inside your container. To do that, click the 6-dot icon at the top of your container so you can select the full section. Once the container is selected, look over to the left-hand panel and click the Style tab. This is where you'll control the visual design of the container. Now open the Background Overlay menu. This is the area where you can place an image behind your text. Under Background Type, choose the Classic option, which is the paintbrush icon. Then click the plus icon to upload a new image or select one from your media library. This will be the image your text sits on top of. After you've chosen the image, adjust the appearance so the text remains easy to read. Set the size to cover so the image fills the entire space properly. If needed, lower the opacity slightly, especially if you want white text to pop more clearly over the image. A darker overlay or reduced opacity can make a big difference in readability. Next, it's time to add the text itself. Click the plus icon inside the container to add a new widget. Then drag and drop either a heading widget or a text editor widget into the container, depending on the style you want. If you want a bold headline, use heading. If you want a paragraph or a longer message, use text editor. Once the widget is in place, go to the Content tab and type in the text you want to display. This could be a headline, a call to action, a short message, or anything else that supports your design. Now let's center the text so it looks properly positioned over the image. While the text widget is selected, go back to the Content tab and click the Center Alignment icon under Text Alignment. That will center the text horizontally. To center it vertically as well, select the container again by clicking the 6-dot icon. Then go to the Layout tab. Here, set Justify Content to center and Align Items to center. This tells Elementor to place the text in the middle of the container both horizontally and vertically, which is perfect for hero sections and image overlays. At this point, you may want to style the text a little more so it's easier to read. Select the text widget and open the Style tab. From here, choose a text color that contrasts well with the image. If the background image is busy or detailed, lighter text often works best on darker overlays. You can also use the text shadow setting to add a subtle glow or shadow behind the letters. This helps the text separate from the image details and makes everything look much cleaner and more professional. Just keep it subtle so the design still looks modern and not overdone. If you want to fine-tune the overall look, take a moment to adjust the spacing, padding, and image positioning until everything feels balanced. Small adjustments can make a huge difference in the final result, especially when you're working with text over images. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Publish button at the top right to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully put text over an image in Elementor. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Elementor tips, and check out the rest of my videos for more easy website design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.